Sudoku friends, hi everyone. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, August 2020. Yeah, it's hot today, tropical temperature here, above the 30 degrees Celsius. So hot day. Not a right time for solving Sudokus. You will easily make mistakes. This one will be number 1297. And before I start, I always count the numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7. This is 6, 7 plus 6 is 13. 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 24 we have. Correct for a 4-star Sudoku. It's always 24 digits, printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this row we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row we have a 2 over there. So in the row between, the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2 because we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, these 3 boxes could be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this could be a 2 or that could be a 2. Same like here. I need to wait for more information. Need to wait. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. That means an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column and 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 8, 8. Then I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. How about the number? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. There 4, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third column should be number 2. No, 2. 1, 2. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 1 box left. 2 boxes left in this row. 1, 2. Oh. Alright. I heard someone is knocking the door. Incorrect. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 6 and the 8 is missing. Let me mark them for you. 6 and 8, it's a pair. How about the 7, the 3? The 3, we have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes, or the 3 could be in these 2 boxes. The 1 is also missing. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be in those 2 boxes. How about the 4? 4 could be everywhere. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the number 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 3 boxes, the 3 is missing. The 5 is missing. I see here 5 and there are 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 3 and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now I have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be an 8. Now I have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 6.
叫你嚟淨係做自己嘢。
2 boxes left.
睇逼核版。
1 and we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4, we have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. And then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2, 6, 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. The 2, the 4, and the 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 here. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 2. The 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. and I've eliminated the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 5 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 4 is missing here in this column. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the 2 final numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow! A 4-star Sudoku. Can you imagine? In 11 minutes. Cannot believe it. So you cannot afford to make a mistake, otherwise the whole puzzle will be a mess. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the fourth Sudoku, a binary puzzle. Thank you. See you later. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now.